I'm Health Crusader and welcome to Cooking with Health Crusader. Today I will be cooking a quiche for you. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making a pepperoni quiche. So we will need 6 eggs for 1 quiche. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. And to add to this quiche, you will need half a can of coconut milk or coconut cream. Today I will be using coconut milk. Just half a can, because it'll be just perfect with half a can. And then we're going to get our blender and we're going to blend it all nice and whip it all up. Nice and creamy. Fantastic. Keep whipping it. All right, voila, that one's done. Now, what we're going to do first is I'm going to use this bag because that one's new, so let's try this one. We're going to add 1/4 cup of piñon nuts. Just throw them in there. Then we're going to get half cup raisins. Toss them in there. And then I'm going to get the pepperoni. I like these little small ones. I use the pork ones. So here we go. Just get about maybe 10 or 12 of the little pepperonis. You decide how many pepperonis you like or how little pepperonis you like. You chop them up kind of nicely like this. Toss them in there. Then we get the spinach. Now this is opened. What I do is I get like about a little handful like this. Then I just tear it like that. I grab another handful because it's 2 handfuls that I use and just toss it like that. Then what I do is I just stir it just like that. Perfect. Now we're going to put it in a pie crust. Yum. And we're going to be using the Wholly gluten-free pie crust. There are 2 pie crusts in this. We're going to be using one today. You can use 2 if you want, because you could also make, you could add shrimp, which I usually do to this ingredients, but today we're just going to make the pepperoni one. But you could use some shrimp and cut it up, and also it tastes delicious. But we're just going to be using one today. So I'm going to get my butter dish, because I'm going to show you how you prepare the, here it is, ta-da! Okay, get lots of butter on here. And just put it all over the pie crust. On the walls, in the middle, on the edges, on the top here, because you want this top to be really nice and crispy. It really helps brown it and make it look really, really pretty. Okie dokie. So, voila, there we go. Sorry about the little dingy thing, but I guess we wanted some music. Okay, so now we're ready to pour. So what you do is you just pour all of this ingredients into the pie. Make sure to break up any raisins or any of the pepperoni so that it's evenly distributed. Just like that. If you have a little extra, that's okay. Don't put it in there because you don't want it to overflow. And there you go. Kabam! You've got yourself a beautiful quiche that'll serve at least 6 people. And put it in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. And you will have a beautiful quiche, just like the one I'm going to show you that I'm going to get right out of the oven. Voila! Boom! How do you like these? Look how beautiful these quiches came out. And I also made the shrimp one, like I said. You could add shrimp to one, and then this is the pepperoni one. Hello, this is my friend Connie, and she's going to have a slice of this yummy quiche with me. Connie, would you like to have a slice of quiche with me? Looks yummy! So enjoy! Thanks for cooking with the Health Crusader cooking show. See you next time!